Good day, good day, good day. Welcome to another segment here, Engaging Life Where Life Matters. Don't forget, like, subscribe, go more Zion Music. Lalela, we are here. We've been invited by Ibandla Elga Bishop Undlamlenze. But anyways, not to me, kusho ukuthi sizoyenzani kanjani. Go to our TikTok page, Engaging Life. On YouTube, just type in more Zion Music, like and subscribe. Sinomsisi la uzozisho ukuthi ubani uHoliday post makanayo ebandleni and why are we here as Engaging Life kulibandla ensimini. My sister, good day.
Yes, I'm
I'm well. Usisi ubani igama and which post does she hold ensimini? And I believe it's an appreciation service, this one. Umholi to ebandleni, which is so rare mlaleli nombukeli we-Engaging Life ukuthi umholi gets to appreciate ibandla ngawo wonke umsebenzi awenzayo. My sister, tell us more about this service.
igama ngozinhle kaNdlamlenze under uBishop uDlamlenze ngisonta ensimini eChurch of Christ of God.
Yeah. Yes. The service, what does it mean to you?
Oh, it's an appreciation service.
Yeah.
Uzobonga abantu basebandleni ngomsebenzi abawenzayo nanokubambana.
Oh, wow, I love that because it goes a long way. You know, Tina Maskula says ukuthi umholi uyonakekelayo ibandla, and what we seeing here and what we're observing, it's what umholi does for ibandla. Even if you can check to my background, abazalwane, they are getting ready for a service. Ubabona nje bamhlophe kumnandi kuhele. Lalela, we're still continuing now these segments we're holding. Lalela, join us sisazokuba nawe and see more of his service.
Stay